Vayera, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parsha for the Geulah, which means for the redemption. Geulah means redemption in Hebrew. This is Article 4 because Vayera is the fourth Parsha. In this week's Parsha, we have the famous story of the Akedah, the binding of Isaac, that we find in Genesis chapter 22. The words of the verse are, Vayomer kach na et bincha et yechidcha asher ahavta et Yitzchak velech lecha el eretz hamoria veha'alehu sham le'olah. And he, God, said, it says Vayomer, it doesn't say the name of God, but it just says Vayomer, and he said, please take your son, your only one, whom you love, yes, Isaac, and go to the land of Moriah and bring him up there for a burnt offering. Genesis chapter 22, verse 2. An olah offering, or a korban olah, is a burnt offering and can also be translated as an elevation offering. There are several types of offerings. Why was it that this particular offering was an olah? The term olah, burnt offering, and also known as an elevation offering, has not been mentioned in the Torah until this point. The word olah as an offering is mentioned for the very first time in the Torah in the story of the Akedah, the binding of Isaac. Perhaps the Torah is hinting at something here. In Gematria, the word le'olah, this is how it appears in the verse, le'olah, for an olah, has a numerical value of 135. Abraham was promised that he would have physical offspring, and not only that, but that he would be a father to many, both physically and spiritually. The words of lebanim, which mean a father of children, or a father to children, have a numerical value of exactly 135. This can be a hint that encoded within the very name of the sacrifice itself is the clear message that Abraham was destined to pass the test, and indeed go on to be a father of many, per Genesis 17:5, and in addition to being the father of Isaac, per Genesis 21, verse 5. There is some dispute among the sages as to the date of the Akedah, when it happened. Some say, such as the Zohar, some say that it happened on Rosh Hashanah, and some say that it happened in Yom Kippur. Midrash Shemot Rabbah, Parsha 15, and Agadah of Shemot, Parsha 15, say that it happened on Pesach, on Passover. According to the third opinion, that the Akedah happened on Passover, there is a nice hint through the number 135, because the word matzah that we eat on Passover, has a numerical value of 135. We see in the story that immediately before Abraham was about to sacrifice his son, it was a malach, an angel of Hashem, who told him not to do it. The words Hamalach HaGoel, the angel who redeems, Genesis 48:16, has a numerical value of exactly 135. Shabbat Shalom. Have a great Shabbos.